This year, we are competing in the American Society of Naval Engineers Promoting Electric Propulsion for Small Craft competition. Throughout the process of building a full-size electric speedboat, this organization will give a hands-on introduction to students over a broad range of engineering and business topics. This year, our members will gain knowledge in electric transmission and propulsion, naval architecture and engineering, mechanical design and prototyping, innovation methodologies of Agile and Scrum, financial management, marketing, fundraising, and business ethics utilized in industry today. Pittsburgh Electric Propulsion hopes that the skills acquired through participation in this organization will result in our members being ready to be innovative leaders in a fast-changing society.
So this is Professor Tony Kurzman from the Mechanical Engineering and Material Science Department, also the advisor to the PIT Electric Propulsion Group. And I'm here to talk a little bit about electric vehicles and the future of renewable energy in the energy industry. I think electric vehicles, as we know, are a way for us to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions posed by fossil fuel combustion, right? And the transportation sector is a large portion of the greenhouse gas emissions throughout the world. The gas-powered vehicle's been around for over 100 years, right? And people are expecting electric vehicles to be perfect in a few decades. Now, I really like the idea of, I love that you guys are hopping right into a competition. I think competition brings out the best in innovation. Industry partners are really important on a number of ways. The other thing is, it's a clear pipeline for graduation and potential job support, right? So you can imagine, obviously, if you're doing a good job in their area, they might say, hey, we'd love to have you as a co-op or an intern, and then at that point they might offer you a full-time position. Yeah, industry relationships I think are very important on a number of different ways. But for students, it's definitely the support for the group is very important, and then I think the relationship is really helpful when it comes to internships, co-ops, and future job proposition. Yeah.